Have you ever wondered if you have the best tank gauging solution for your mobile liquid transport fleet? I'm Doug Watt, Chief Product Officer for Titan Logix. I'm excited to share with you the latest improvement to our overfill prevention solution, the redesigned Finch II. This redesign allows for continuous level measurement for up to 6 compartments on just one Finch. This eliminates the need for multiple tank side displays or selector switches, which significantly reduces your installation and equipment costs while giving our customers the industry-leading accuracy and reliability they've come to expect from our products. Now with real-time monitoring for up to 6 compartments, the Finch II ensures that there are no missed alarms and all compartments are fail-safe. One of the major benefits to this redesign is that with all of the new features and enhancements, there is no change to the user experience. So get ready to reduce your fleet costs and improve efficiency with our industry-leading 6-compartment monitoring solution powered by just one Finch II. Contact us today to learn more.